prediction, and then I ask you to choose a card. Here's my first prediction. I ask you to cut the card anywhere you like. This is your first card. Now I make my second prediction. And I ask you to cut the cards again, anywhere. Here is your second card. On the last card, on the third card, I will make two predictions. Here are my predictions. And now I ask you to cut the deck anywhere you like. I ask you to check the cards. They are normal cards. Here is my first prediction. Here is my second prediction. And here is my third prediction.